Chris with Rowe Dental Laboratory. In this video, I'm going to discuss the proper seating protocol for the Passivity Plus coping when seating your prosthesis. If you haven't heard of this great new technology, you can check it out on our webpage. We have a dedicated page for Passivity Plus, or you can check out some of our videos on Passivity Plus. I'm sure by now you're all aware that this is a self-adjusting coping that adjusts onto the MUA into the most passive position. When you go to screw this down, you want to start on one side of the prosthesis and you're going to hand torque it just a couple turns. As you're torquing it down, you may feel a little bit of tension, and what that is, that's the washer inside of the coping, where that's, again, helping it self-adjust. So you may feel that washer engage, and that's ensuring the most passive seat. Once you've hand torqued that first site, then you'll go across the arch and you'll do the same thing, a couple turns, and then go back to another site, and you'll keep doing this across the arch until you have all of the sites hand torqued down. At this point now, the Passivity Plus technology is self-adjusting in the most passive position across the arch. Once you've hand torqued all of the sites, then you'll go back to the site you started on and you'll finish off, you'll do the final torque of 25 Newton centimeters. You'll do that again, just like you did hand torque, but you'll torque each site down to 25 Newton centimeters. Once this is complete, you can be sure that that prosthesis is now seated in the most passive position using this great new technology. If you have any questions on Passivity Plus, please give us a call here at Rowe or check out the dedicated page on our site. Thank you.